Why to use Salesforce?
Struggling to keep up with customer data spread across numerous spreadsheets? It's causing delays, errors, and depriving us of vital insights. What's the solution? Choosing the right CRM system can be difficult, but it's essential for businesses in today's competitive landscape. Salesforce, not just a game changer, it's a powerful CRM platform. It centralizes customer data, making tracking and personalization effortless. Automating tasks and workflows saves time and cuts errors. It even offers a 360-degree view of customers, aiding smart decisions. Salesforce shines in sales and lead management. It maximizes lead efficiency, tracks opportunities, and forecasts revenue. Top-tier analytics provide invaluable insights from our data. Plus, it's accessible on mobile for on-the-go productivity. It suits businesses of all sizes and boasts an extensive app library on AppExchange. Salesforce offers a variety of pricing plans to fit your budget. If you're excited and want to learn more about how Salesforce can help you grow your business, explore at www.salesforce.com. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.